Here are all the dots and ECS announcements that Unity made at their Unite keynote this year. So first, the internally developed Switch 2 launch title called Survival Kids was made with regular game objects. However, they are using netcode for entities for the networking stack. And they're putting on a technical talk at Unite about how they implemented this setup. And the other thing that they announced is that there is going to be a new first-person shooter sample project built with Unity's game objects that also uses netcode for entities on the back end. And this does sound pretty cool. So that's all the dots and ECS stuff that was brought up during the keynote. I do know that there is also a roadmap session that happened during Unite, so hopefully they at least mention dots animation and entities for all, but we'll just have to wait and see when that video comes out. By the way, if you do want to learn a little bit more about making games with dots and ECS, go check out my asset Dot Survivors on the Unity Asset Store. It's a complete project that shows you how to create a full game with Unity's dots and ECS. It's currently 50% off, part of the Black Friday sale over in the Unity Asset Store. Ayo chat, is dots cooked low-key?